Do you want to delete your YouTube videos on phone because it's embarrassing you or for some other reason? Well, you can leave me that in the comments down below. But for today, I will teach you how to delete your YouTube videos on phone in 2018, so buckle up. Hey guys, this is Creators Tutorials, and today in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can delete your YouTube videos on your mobile phone directly in 2018. Now this is the latest version and we're going to be jumping right into it. Now before we get started, consider subscribing if you're new here, as we make videos on YouTube growth for fast YouTube success and tutorials just like this one to help you improve your content so people subscribe to you. And before we get started, can we hit 25 likes in this video? If we could, that would be awesome. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. So the first obvious step is go onto your mobile YouTube app. Now once you're onto the mobile YouTube app, you want to go onto the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your icon/avatar for your YouTube channel. You want to press that icon/avatar, and once you have pressed that, you will get various options here. Now there's an option called My Channel. You want to press on My Channel and then it will open up your channel. Now you can see your channel homepage right here, and now you want to go into videos. Now you want to select which video you want to delete. So for me, let's say I want to delete a video called Use Music Without Copyright, and I'm gonna press on that three dots next to that video and you'll see a various number of options again, and here there's an option called delete. Now you can press on delete and then you can press on OK to delete that video. I'm not going to be doing that in that case, so I'm going to press cancel, and doing that you will successfully delete your YouTube video on your mobile device. Hope this video was educational and taught you guys how to delete your YouTube videos on your mobile device. If you learned something from this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing and awesome tutorials just like this one. With that being said guys, this is Creators Tutorials and I'm signing off.